All right, this is access to my engine. Got some tape holding it up because it wants to fall out. So we got these things that we're going to replace. I believe there's one on each side here on the thing, so we'll go ahead and get to it. So I'm gonna move my little solar panel out of the way. That's our third solar panel, so we'll get this stuff moved. And see how difficult it's going to be. And I figured while we're down here, let's clean it up a little bit. And now, let's see what we got. Oh, well, crud. It ain't the right ones. So, the ones I got are these, and it don't take that kind. So, well, shucks. Well, that's a bummer. I guess I gotta go back and order what I need, because I mean, as you can see, yeah, so I got one on that side and one here. This one's not as busted as the other one. So yeah. So I guess my little Yanmar will see the light of day in a couple more days. So I'm going to tape it back up so it don't fall down when the boat starts rocking. So yeah, it's a pain in the butt. I thought I had the right ones. I mean, it's the right ones for the rest of everything in the boat, but all the other ones, like my drawers, let me see, for like my drawers, it's the right ones. For back here, for these, it's the right ones, because I replaced this one, and those are good. I got to replace the one here, and I think there's like two more in the head that need to be replaced, but these here are the only ones that are different. So I guess I'll just, as soon as I get off here, I'm gonna go online and see if I can find them.